So today I'm going to show you InStaff survey feature. So this is what an admin would see. They have no surveys created yet, so I'll make the first one. And I'll just walk through all of these things that you can do. So we'll give it a survey title. Let's call our survey employee satisfaction. And let's give a little blurb to explain to our survey takers what this is for. These surveys could be for anything like an employee satisfaction survey, could be for where you want to have your company Christmas party, all sorts of different types. You can have a description here, you can bold, edit it, put things in different colors. You got a full text editor over here. You can have the survey start to show at a certain time and also end at a certain time, so it won't show up for employees until a certain start date, and it'll disappear once the end date is reached. In case it's an expiring survey, for example, the Christmas party example, you would want that to eventually disappear, probably not show once you've actually had the party. But we'll leave that empty for now. As for questions, there's different types of questions you can have. You can have just a plain text question, so we'll do this. Actually, let's go in reverse order. Let's go multiple choice first. So let's say what training programs would benefit you? And you can have, like I said, multiple choice, so they can either select just one. In this case, they'll be able to select just one. Let's put that here. Select one. I'm not sure off the top of my head. Let's go with I'm blanking right now. What are certifications? Let's go with HR in the workplace. I don't know. And then you have an option to create an additional suggestions box for these multiple choice questions in case there's an option here. There's an option here that you haven't noted down, but you'd like somebody to provide their suggestions. So you can put that here. So if we check this off, we can ask them for any additional ideas like this. And you can make it required or not required. Let's leave it not required. Let's add another question type. Let's go multi-select. I'm really blanking. I should have prepared a better set of questions here, but let's see. What would another question be? So just some random options here and suggestions. I'm going to leave this without suggestions, and then let's move over to a ranking and ordering type. So actually, you know what? Let's make this the ranking and ordering. No, never mind. What's another question we can have for ranking and ordering? Let's go with so these would be ranked. Let's just put some random things here. Let's say they want extra time off. Say some people want a gold watch. Let's go with those three, and then number of items to rank. There's three. You can have questions like rank your top 5, rank your top 2, but let's say rank your 3. allow partial ranking here. So in case they don't have any interest in a new car, they just leave that off. You can put some instructions here as well. And over here, enable other. In case there's another option, this only comes with the ranking and ordering. Let's enable that just so they can see that they can provide their own input for a new option that's not there. Let's add one more, just any general feedback for us. And this is just a text response. And let's make that not required, not required, not required, and the first one. Okay, let's just actually make the first one required here, just so you can see the difference. So we're going to create that survey draft. And from here, your survey, you can still edit it. You can review it here. You can preview how it'll look for your recipient. So it'll look something like this. And let's actually just publish that survey now. And if I were to view this as an employee back on our home dashboard, you'll see our survey over here. And we can take the survey. So let's go, what training programs benefit me? Only one, so I can only pick one. Let's go IT certification. This question, where would you want to have the party? I can pick multiple. So let's go, it's going to be winter where I am, so let's not have it at the park. Employee recognition awards, let's say I want a new car and I want a gold watch, and I'll leave the third one blank. And I'll say no, doing great so far. And we submit that survey. And so as an employee for me, this is my submission screen, well, my post-submission screen, and I can see what I answered. And if I go back, there's no more surveys available for me. If I look at the surveys, I can see that I've completed it, and I can take a look at my results. If I'm an admin, let's go back to our surveys. We can take a look at our results over here. So let's go to viewing responses. We can see that there's been one submission over here. Take a look at that person's submissions. We've got 50 total employees in the system. Only one submitted it, so we have a 2% completion rate. We can also view analytics. So over here, for each question, it tells us a breakdown of how people are answering, right? So there's only been one submission, so it only shows one here. Shows the breakdown of selections there. Shows us the rankings of how people are selecting for that ranked question. And over here, just the text responses.